What I have found in my journey in this real estate investing space is the most successful investors are the ones that truly focus on serving other people. Every conversation that you step into, you should have a servant mentality. Tip number 4 is always seek to provide solutions. What I have found in my journey in this real estate investing space is the most successful investors are the ones that truly focus on serving other people. Every conversation that you step into, you should have a servant mentality. Focus on how you can help these people out with their property at the end of the day. And as a creative real estate investor, it's your job and your duty to create win-win solutions for the seller and your cash buyers, whatever that looks like, right? So always seek to be of service. Last thing you want to do is step into a negotiation or a conversation with the seller reeking of commission breath. You don't want to be that guy that's got commission breath coming out of his nostrils, right? Sellers will smell that and they'll run, right? So don't go in there just wanting the money and seeking to put more cash into your pocket. Truly focus on the solution and providing that service, and the wins will come. And lastly, tip number 5, I would suggest finding a mentor. Now, I should have put this as tip number 1 because I believe that's where it should always start. You want to always seek knowledge, seek guidance, and reach out to people who have already been in the shoes or have already accomplished the results that you are seeking. Now, why is this so important? Well, 1, you're going to save yourself so much heartache by listening to their stories and avoiding some of the pitfalls that they had to fall into in their lessons and that path to the top. In addition to this, they can also give you some of the best strategies and insight on what's happening in the current market. And they can also come out and help you develop processes and procedures that you can put your real estate investing business on a path to monumental returns. And I'll also say this, by shadowing and following direction from someone else who's in the industry and producing at a high level, that is the highest level of education that you could possibly receive. We can sit on YouTube University for hours upon hours trying to figure out a strategy for this and a game plan for that. But at the end of the day, it's going to take months upon years, and you're going to go through all these circles and detours trying to find the end result. In my mind, I'm all about compressing time. How can I take another person's lessons that took 10 years plus to learn and compress those into a much smaller time frame? That's the cost of education. And that's also the value that you will find by latching on to a mentor who's already inside of the industry producing at high levels. Not only are they going to give you the guidance, give you the insight, the systems, the processes, the newest marketing campaigns, and maybe even cheaper data, cheaper tools, cheaper softwares, whatever it might look like. But they are truly going to put you on the path to success if you just lean in and listen. Now, don't just enter into those conversations or those relationships with the mentality on how can I pull out the information that I need from them? How can I just get better strategies, take these lessons and run with it? But the way that you should approach those relationships is how can I add value to what this person is already doing? Don't just take them out to lunch and try to pick their brain, but sit down, listen, and figure out how you can provide solutions and help add value to what they're already doing. But at the end of the day, you cannot microwave success, right? Success leaves tiny, small clues along the way if you just are willing enough to listen and you're humble enough to take that long road and take the advice of other people getting started. I promise you, if you stick to that course and you learn from other people and you lean in and follow these 5 quick steps, you're going to see more return over the next 24 months inside of your business than you would ever find trying to do it all yourself. So get out there, guys. Stay consistent. You're truly only one deal away from changing your life forever. So get in the trenches, guys. Build some bonds and some relationships. And let's get out here and close some deals. See you guys on the other side.